Y'all, welcome back to another video, and today we got the truck outside, and underneath here I realized that they painted the frame red, bright red, so I'm thinking that maybe if I clean it, it'll shine more red. So that's what I'm gonna do. I got my jack right over there, and I'm gonna be just propping it up just a tad so I could see better and spraying underneath it. So let's get to it. Okay, I gotta lift it up a little bit. Can see the red in the frame a lot much better. So now let's start washing.